Yeah, and this is my first video on my YouTube channel, and today we're gonna be making this famous recipe of my grandpa, chocolate pancakes. So first what you need is flour, chocolate chips, ground cinnamon, salt, 1 egg, sugar, sorry, and then baking powder and whole milk. Hope you enjoy. So we're gonna mix the dry ingredients first. So first you're gonna have to put the salt, then the sugar, and then the baking powder and cinnamon. Now you have to stir it up. Okay, once that's stirred up, then what you do is the milk. You pour the milk, and then mix it again. So now we're going to mix it really good, and then when we mix it really well, we're going to add the egg. So I'm going to mix it, and then we're going to add the egg. And then now we're going to mix it again. Oh, I almost forgot. We have to add 3 tablespoons of butter here. I have to mix it. And now we have to stir it, and then it will be ready to put in the pan. Now that our batter is ready, we're going to start making the delicious pancakes. Okay, so now we have to put the oil, in a little drop of oil. Then spread it around. And then now we're gonna put the oil away now. And then bring this closer. And then we're gonna get batter into the pan, the ladle. Just get off all the edges. And now you're gonna put it in there. Make sure you get all the batter in there. No wasting batter. And then now you're gonna make it big and round, like a pancake. And then now we have to add the chocolate chips. So now we're gonna put 4 in. Oh yeah, and how you know how the pancake is ready? It's when it has like a bunch of bubbles coming out at the top. So see, it's bubbling a lot. So I don't think it's ready quite yet. Okay, now I think that it's ready, right? Now we're gonna flip the pancake because it's ready. Make sure you get all the edges, and then just flip it here. So now, while it's cooking, just wait for it to sit a lot, and then you can put it on this plate, and then you can get the pancakes. So now I think this part is ready. let's see. Yeah, it's ready. So now that this is ready, now we're gonna flip it. That seems ready, right? Yeah. And now this is the finished product of our pancakes. And it really smells like cinnamon. It really smells good. And we have all this chocolate chips. But you know what this would really go good with? Eggs. So let's snap and hopefully we'll see some eggs. Oh my gosh, we have these amazing eggs that we made, and now this is your breakfast. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.